Learn English with Confidence, Episode 1, Greetings and Introductions. Welcome to Learn English with Confidence. This is Episode 1, where we will start with the basics, how to greet someone and introduce yourself in English. Let's begin with basic greetings. Listen and repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Now, let's move to introductions. How to ask someone's name. What's your name? May I know your name? How to introduce yourself. My name is John. I'm John. I am called John. Now, let's practice a short conversation. Hey, hello. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. How about you? Hey, I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Hey, nice to meet you too. Great job. Keep practicing these phrases. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk about daily activities. Practice tip. Repeat these sentences aloud and try using them in real conversations. Subscribe for more lessons